Learn how to speak daily activities in English. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I get up from bed. I get up from bed. I stand on the floor. I stand on the floor. I open the bathroom door. I open the bathroom door. I close the bathroom door. I close the bathroom door. I step into the bathroom. I step into the bathroom. I pass the urine. I pass the urine. I poop the stool. I poop the stool. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I pick up my toothbrush and toothpaste. I pick up my toothbrush and toothpaste. I apply the toothpaste. I apply the toothpaste. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I rinse my mouth. I rinse my mouth. I splash some water on my face. I splash some water on my face. I wash my face. I wash my face. I dry my face. I dry my face. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I open the shower. I open the shower. I use shampoo to wash my hair. I use shampoo to wash my hair. I take a soap. I take a soap. I rub my body with soap. I rub my body with soap. I rinse my body with water. I rinse my body with water. I close the shower. I close the shower. I take a towel. I take a towel. I dry myself. I dry myself. I leave the bathroom. I leave the bathroom. I walk to my bedroom. I walk to my bedroom. I open my wardrobe. I open my wardrobe. I choose my clothes. I choose my clothes. I put on my shirt. I put on my shirt. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I look out the window. I look out the window. I get some fresh air. I get some fresh air. I sit on a chair. I sit on a chair.
To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.